advocate for the Griffith Observatory, and the president or the director was asked, what would happen if Pluto exploded? He took a deep breath and said, not a whole lot. I will give you some information that will help you to appreciate the dwarf planet and all its flaws. I'm going to inform you about Pluto by first talking about the discovery of Pluto, second, giving you some of Pluto's characteristics, and third, by explaining why Pluto was demoted to dwarf planet. I'm going to begin by taking you back to 1930. What a lovely year that was for the dwarf planet. Ty Tombaugh is a farm boy from Kansas with just a high school diploma. He worked at the Lowell Observatory and started cleaning the lenses for them until they asked him to survey the night sky. According to Alan Stern, on February 18, 1930, the 24-year-old Ty Tombaugh made the discovery of a lifetime. The Lowell Observatory astronomer was comparing two photographic plates taken the previous month. With it, he spotted a tiny speck of light appeared in a different position relative to the stars of Gemini. Within months, astronomers named it Pluto, and the solar system gained the first planet beyond Neptune. A small boy from Kansas City discovered planet X. Pluto's characteristics sure stood out among the rest. Pluto was the smallest and the farthest from the sun. Pluto had 2 moons, and according to spots in the article titled New Hubble Images Reveal Pluto's Dynamic Surface, the colors testify nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide as the prime ingredients to Pluto's ices and its faint wisp of an atmosphere. So basically, Pluto was a giant ice ball with a silicate core. All of the planets in the solar system orbited the sun flat and circular, while Pluto, on the other hand, was elliptical and tilted. Now that you know some of Pluto's characteristics, let me tell you why it is no longer a planet. I opened the wrong one. I had to. According to Mosman, in an article titled 20 Things You Didn't Know About Dwarf Planets, Caltech astronomer Mike Brown discovered Eris, which is bigger than Pluto. That helped bring down Pluto's downfall, and its planetary status was demoted. With the discovery of Eris, Astronomical Union had to define what a planet was. Is Pluto a planet? No, because in 2006, the IAU set 3 criteria that needed to be met. Planets had to be round. Pluto was round. Planets had to orbit the sun, which it did, but it had to also control and clear its objects with its gravity. Unfortunately, Pluto's mass was too small to do that. According to Stern in the article titled Secrets of Kepler's Belt, the discovery of the Kepler's Belt revealed Pluto's context for the first time. Far from being the lone misfit dwarf, Pluto turns out to be the first discovery among the vast population of little planets in the outer deep space. According to Watson in an article titled A Dog's Life for Pluto, Allen regards the ruling as an awful definition. It's sloppy science, and it should never pass the peer review. However, this definition will help in understanding the planetary system. But don't feel too bad for Pluto, because Wright article titled Plutoids Joined the Solar Family. After 2 years of debate, the IAU announced in June some bodies in the distant realm will be called Plutoids, after Pluto. In conclusion, I would like to restate what I have said today. In 1930, Pluto was discovered. Although it was a great find at the time, with better technology and the discovery of similar objects, Pluto was demoted because of the 3 definitions that were made up by or created by the IAU.